Umbilical cord stem cell therapy works much better than bone marrow stem cells for joint arthritis. Yes, there's new data that shows exactly that, and we've known this for years, but providers in the bone marrow stem cell camp have consistently for years said that there's no evidence that umbilical cord stem cells produce more cartilage and help with cartilage defects and so on and so forth. Wrong. This new study proved exactly the opposite. And what we've known for years, a group out of Malaysia looked at 28 patients who were randomized into receiving either a knee injection with umbilical cord stem cell therapy versus those who received bone marrow aspirate cellular therapy, and each group had hyaluronic acid added to the biologic. Now, there were 17 patients who received the umbilical cord stem cell therapy. Initially, both of these groups got an arthroscopy of the knee to take pictures and look at where was the starting point for the cartilage lesion. And it had to be at least 1 centimeter in diameter. And they looked at another arthroscopy at 12 months to see the comparative results. In all of the parameters that were evaluated, pain relief, physical function, stiffness, activities of daily living, return to sports, recreational activities, all of them across the board, umbilical cord stem cells showed results that were better and faster and sustained for the entire year. And then, someone in the bone marrow camp might say, oh, well, what about the actual cartilage production? That's the best part. When they did the repeat arthroscopy at 1 year, they showed more hyaline cartilage production in the umbilical cord group than they did the bone marrow group. So they have histologic slide pictures in the research paper to prove it, in addition to the pictures taken during the second look arthroscopy. It wasn't like the bone marrow results in those patients were terrible. They were actually pretty good. Statistically significantly better in the umbilical cord stem cell group. So it's what we've known for years. It's something that is great to see because of the flack we've gotten over the years from people in the bone marrow camp who just say, it's better to get your own stem cells even if you're, 70, 80 years old. Not true, and this research proves it. All right, if you or a loved one is dealing with significant joint pain and would like to see what umbilical cord stem cell therapy can do for you, call us today. R3 Stem Cell is the world's largest provider of umbilical cord stem cell therapies in 80 centers in 8 countries. +1 844 GET STEM. You can also email us at info@r3stemcell.com. We'll set you up with a free consultation.